Welcome to the captivating city of Sydney, Australia. Thy broken bar thy superscripto, get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and endless adventures that make Sydney a world-class destination. Step into the heart of Sydney, where the urban pulse harmonizes with natural beauty. From bustling city streets to sun-soaked shores, every corner of this metropolis is a masterpiece waiting to be explored. Bask in the sunshine at Bondi Beach, where the surf beckons and the laid-back Aussie lifestyle takes center stage. Explore the sprawling green spaces, where picnics and relaxation are an art form. Immerse yourself in Sydney's cultural scene as we experience world-class performances at the Sydney Opera House. Indulge your taste buds at bustling food markets, where diverse flavors reflect the city's multicultural tapestry. Trace Sydney's history in the charming Rocks district, where cobblestone streets and historic pubs tell tales of the past. Witness the city's contemporary spirit in its dazzling skyline, where modern architecture graces the harbour. Embark on a scenic journey across the Sydney Harbour, where ferries become a part of everyday life and each ride offers breathtaking views of the city's iconic landmarks. As the sun sets over Sydney, the city transforms into a shimmering wonderland. Join us at Mrs. Macquarie's Point for an awe-inspiring sunset view, a moment that captures the essence of Sydney's magic. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, a beach lover, or simply curious to explore, Sydney promises an unforgettable escape. Hit that like button, share the beauty with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.